Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com. We're back again with our 2017 Toyota Tacoma. We are finally getting our TRD Pro wheels and tires installed. We went with a BFG KO2 in 275/7017 for you guys that are interested. It's around the factory size tire just to kind of keep that TRD Pro look when we're all said and done. Unfortunately, we don't have a tire machine, so we can't do the install ourselves. So we teamed up with Oviedo Car Care to get the install done for us. We're gonna head over there now, so let's go.
So I'm just switching the stems. So I'm adding this here, and then this is our cap for the new sensor. So this is the new sensor we have here. We're going to be putting in the vehicle so that we can check the pressure of the car, make sure the state is always good. You don't want to be below 30 psi. That'll pretty much indicate on your dashboard that your car is losing air from the specific tire. So this is the importance of a tire sensor. So we just install that. And basically what I'm doing here, I'm just putting the correct cone for the correct tire. I just want to make sure everything fits perfectly so that the balance gives us the lowest numbers possible. Rip off all the stickers. All right, now we just measure the tire here. There we go.
All right guys, that has wrapped up our truck here at Oviedo Car Care. Let's check it out. All right guys, that wraps up our install of our wheels, tires, and the alignment for our Toyota Tacoma. It's looking really good, a lot more aggressive now. We're not completely done with the exterior. We're still trying to get a scooped hood for our truck. But from here on out, stay tuned for a lot more interior build videos, a lot more interior upgrades we have planned on this Tacoma. For more videos like this, come back to Infotainment.com.